That's the zipper. This is what I get for using an old zipper. It's gone. It's donezo. All that sewing and hard work. Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog and also happy Valentine's Day! This is a very last minute Valentine's Day video. Better late than never! I really wanted to make a dress for Valentine's Day, especially since I wanted to wear it somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go at this moment in time. Me and my husband are still trying to figure out where we want to go. But on a side, well actually let's roll the title clip. So in today's video, I am debating between these two fabrics, but I will insert the picture of the pattern I plan to use. I found this one on Etsy. I don't remember. I'll put the name as well in the picture. It was on sale and I really love this design. What's happening to my hair? Come on, don't be dumb, hair. Be normal. I really like this design. I thought it looked really pretty and it has Stephanie Harper vibes with like the boning or the type of bodice on it. I knew for sure that this one would be much easier for me right now, especially it being so last minute. I wanted something that was already made into a pattern. So I have to tape and put that pattern together, but let's check out the fabric choices here. I have been debating between these two. We've got this crushed light pink velvet look. I'm not 100% sure if I have anything to line it. It's a little see-through. That might mean I lean towards this one. So there's 28 pages. Hopefully it all printed. So it is time to tape all of these together. Wish me luck. Once the pattern is put together though, I'll feel much better. Let's see, how many are there? Okay, you don't want to watch this. Oh my gosh, it's been like a couple days, I think. I'm still trying to put this pattern together. Apparently the first time printing, it didn't print all of them. Why do printers do that? I don't know. Why are printers complicated? There were like blank pages and all this stuff. I was like, what is this printer doing? Printing, like just throwing out random blank pages. Anyway, hopefully this is the rest of it. I don't even know if it did it right this time, but okay, so I just have to finally tape it all together. I've had a cough for about a week and it's finally getting to a point where I feel like it's finishing up. Anyway, so I sound different, but I'm still me. Anyway, let's get back to this dress. I gotta keep on taping. Okay, welcome back to another day. Today is cutting day, but before we get to that, something came in the mail. In recyclable packaging. I ordered from my sister's merch shop, and if she's chill with it, I'll include a link in the description. If for some reason you just want to check it out and you're interested in her Twitch and streaming stuff, you can see her logo there. Okay, let's open up the package. Well, it's much bigger than I realized, but it'll be comfortable. This is something my sister always says. I'm just a baby. And there's her little name, her little Twitch streaming name. Yay! Okay, let me put it on. It's pretty long. Actually, for some reason, it's really warm. Like the packaging just kept it really warm. So yeah, check out my sister if you like streamers. She streams games, chatting. She also has her YouTube, all of that. But anyway, let's get back to making the Valentine's Day dress. I made the loops, but they're really thick. They just feel really thick. So there's a chance I might redo these without interfacing, but it called for interfacing, so I did it anyway. We've got all the pieces here, lining, outer, and non-fusible interfacing. So the next step I'm going to do now is basically sewing all of the interfacing to the main bodice piece. We have 2 days until Valentine's Day. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's 12:19. Hold on. All of the interfacing that I sewed on, it's all attached. My voice is going way. Oh my gosh. I'm debating if I just it's 2 a.m. I think I'm gonna go to bed because I definitely want to get some sleep for a meeting thing I'm going tomorrow morning / today. Next step is literally just to start sewing everything because I was just basting. The only thing I haven't cut is the skirt because I kind of wanted to do a like circular skirt instead, so I need to figure out the pattern for that. I gotta figure everything out. What am I doing? This project is a little bit, I'm running behind by a lot, mainly because I got sick. I've been struggling. I'm not very motivated lately, but it's fine. I've had to put off my big project that I've been talking about, and I was going to just, you know, get everything going, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm excited to see how this dress turns out either way, so peace out. So many breaks because I had dinner. My husband finally got home, so I was like, hey, can I go sew? Bye. So that he could hang out with the little toddler. So I'm doing the lining front and then the back pieces. There's that, and then the same thing is going on right now for the bodice, which I have hanging on the dress form. What I need to figure out is what the heck. I don't know which way this goes. It says once you have the front and back sewn separately, you will sew them together by the sides and the shoulders. So that's where we're at. And then after that's done, I'll move on to the sleeves. Okay, cuffs are done. Now we're moving on to the sleeve lining, which looks like this. This is the sleeve outer. Looks like it wants me to create a little tubular, it says. So we're gonna sew the sides together and we're gonna hope for the best, because that's what we do here on my channel. We always hope for the best.
Who's that little man?
You have fun with that ass?
You're stuck?
You're stuck? Check out this balloon sleeve. I think it looks cute. I don't know which side this is on. Okay, the marking is gone. Is it on this one? Okay, here we go. I just gotta mark it on this side now. I just want to make sure I mark side A. So we're getting there. Also for the skirt, I'm not doing the same as this pattern. I'm doing a circle skirt because I didn't have that much fabric anyway. It's gonna be a shorter dress and probably will have to wear tights with it because it's cold. I don't know how it's gonna go, so we'll see. I'm literally almost done. I've been recording everything at this angle because I've literally just been a slave to this sewing machine. I'm on the last step, but I forgot to mention, so I didn't have the right zipper color. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think to buy a zipper for this. I scrounged and I was gonna do white but couldn't find one long enough. I was gonna do this like kind of purpley pinkish color. Wasn't long enough, but I found this burgundy one, which is, you know, as close as we're gonna get. However, I tried my best to make it as hidden as I can. Also, I don't have like a good ribbon, so I'm gonna just try white. We'll just try it. You know, pink and white is Valentine's Day. Plus, I like pink and white, but it's looking good. Here's the inside. I didn't like change my serger thread to anything, honestly. Black and white is pretty much all I have. However, I did thrift red, and I could have done red. Either way, it's not gonna match. And you can't see it, so who cares? Pink and white, that's my theme. So we are going to finally do the last step, which is like the best step because it's the last step. I don't have time to serge this, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and burn these so that it won't fray, because like, why the flip knot, you know what I mean? Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. We're burning things. Things are being burnt. I don't even know what fabric this is, to be honest. But the fact that it's looking like it's kind of melting makes me wonder if it's polyester. I never know what fabric it is half the time when I'm thrifting. I never learned. Okay, so we're gonna do the rolled hem. Yay! And then we're done. And then I get to try it on. I'm so excited. I think that's everything. I'm done. Okay guys, I'm so excited to reveal the dress for you. I'm gonna try it on tonight and then I'm gonna go start editing this video, but after this I will show you the reveal. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Guess what just happened? You'll never guess. That's the zipper. This is what I get for using an old zipper. This was when I was trying to get it off of my body because it was stuck, but the coil part of the zipper literally just, it's gone. It's donezo. All that sewing and hard work. It gives me so much to do tomorrow. Why does this happen to me? I'm always just like way too last minute. Ugh, this is so annoying. So anyway, I will have to go to the store and I will have to get a new zipper. An actual zipper that is better for this anyway. Not use really old zippers that I found, like I thrifted apparently. I'm going to have to take this out, put a new zipper in, and then do the photo shoot and then edit because it's 2 a.m. and I'm going to bed. It's 2 a.m. on Valentine's Day. This is a last minute It is what it is. My husband's not gonna be home for like ever, so I hope that he gets home on time for us to go out for dinner, but my goal is to get everything done by dinner so I can wear this. Do you think I can do it? Because I don't. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later, but also now you can see the reveal after I fix the issue. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Oh my gosh. I got better ribbon while I was out. Pretty darn close. I also got this. It's to hold more thread. Anyway, I have a lot of these sitting around that don't fit on the other thing I have. These are my options because they didn't have dark pink and I did not feel like going to another store today because unfortunately it's raining cats and dogs and I have to go out with a toddler. That makes it a lot harder to go to multiple stores when it's raining because I have to get him out of the car, get him to stay dry from the rain. So I just stuck with one store. Yay, that's random, but I just really wanted a place for all my extra threads. And now I feel happy. So now the plan is to fix the broken zipper, unfortunately, and replace the ribbon with pink. Let's do it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
Oh, how about some dancing? Some dancing.
What am I watching?
Okay, how's that?
It's good. I don't know how to stop. Put my talents to use.
No.